we are going to move now to what we must remember when we are communicating with our colleagues, with our students, with our parents. Always be respectful, very important. Even if you are foaming inside, sometimes you have a boiling point in you, somebody, you're not very satisfied with something and you just want to speak, but you just have to remain respectful. Consider feelings, show some empathy. How would you feel by what you're saying? It's very important. Take the place of the person, your audience. Think about your body language. Sarah already mentioned that, and your tone. Sometimes our tone may convey another message. Now, you also aim for clarity, which is the essence of professional communicating effectively, so that you don't get misunderstood. You aim for clarity so that everything is taken in context. Think about your environment. Is the correct place to deliver your message? Is it to the right person? And Sarah, I just want to add that our cultures also affect so much, has so much influence on how we communicate. Now, in some parts in Africa, we don't call people by their names. We don't call adults by their names. So, unlike in Europe and Asian and other European countries where you call people by their names, but in Africa, you don't call people by your names. If you call them by their names, it's a sign of disrespect. So you should also think of the environment when you find yourself, how you communicate with people. I think it's very, very important.